Hello everyone, this video introduces how to realize zoom rolling control. First, click New, select Resolution, and select a file path. Back to the initial interface, click D1 SAL Generator, select Background Images. Click Generate SAL, select the D1 set folder, named it 32, and click Save. Open the D1 set folder, import the background images. Select Zoom Rolling Control. The relative parameters are as shown. Then select Return Key Code. Set key value and VP number. The subsequent operations are the same. And here, please note that after setting the key value and VP number, the graphics can be moved in different directions. When settings are done, click Save and Generate. Copy the D1 set folder in the preset directory to the SD card. Then put the SD card into the screen slot and power it up. The screen shows that the demo is being burned, say that the burning is finished. Unplug the SD card. Do not hard swap the SD card. This way, the demo of zoom rolling control is finished. Thanks for watching.